Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to modify a question in MyOpenMath for a quiz. And I'll be honest, sometimes I make these videos for myself just so I can look back on them if I forget how to do it in the future. So I have a quiz that I made and I pulled all of the questions from the homework assessment. So when I made this quiz, I went to select assessments and I made sure that I pick the homework that goes with the quiz that I'm making. So here are the questions that I had, and I selected them up here. Now, so there's a little difference between how I want students to do things in the homework and how I want students to do things in the quiz. Sometimes the directions in the homework are kind of getting them through the new method that they're learning, but sometimes they've learned multiple methods, and I want them to use whatever they want when they get to the quiz. So this question in particular says use the addition method to solve, and I don't really care which method they use to solve. I just want them to solve this set of equations. I really don't want to mess up this problem or the directions, but what I want to do is just alter the directions a little bit for the actual quiz. So over here on the actions, I'm going to say make a template. And what the template does, it allows me to make the changes just to put into the quiz. So all I'm going to do is go down here and say instead of use the addition method, I'm going to take that out. And I'm just going to have the directions now say solve the system of linear equations. So I can quick save and preview. So I can see that now it just says solve. It doesn't tell them how to solve. Then when I hit save, it's going to bounce up to this page where I want to say add this question to the assessment. So I want it to be immediately put into the quiz. It'll ask me some questions about the points. It tells me what the defaults are. I'm happy with all of that, so I'm going to say save the settings. So here's my new problem where it just says solve. So I'm going to go back to the previous question that says use the addition method, and now I'm going to get rid of that problem from my assessment. And I'm going to move the new problem into the corresponding place. Hope that helps.